Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring and draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of blue. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. Kids, now we are mixing the color of blue. And first we are coloring the alphabet of A. Now we are using blue color. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. The alphabet of D. D for dog, D for doll. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. G for gorilla. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is H. H for hand. And the next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And the next one is J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. The next one is L. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, the next one is O. We are again using the color of blue. O for orange, O for octopus. The next one is P. P for penguin. Subscribe to our channel. Q for queen. And R for rose, R for rice. The next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. The next one is T. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. V for van. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is W. And the next one is X. X for Xmas tree. And Y for yolk. Kids, the last one is Z. Z for zoo and Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. And now we're mixing the color of blue and coloring to the shapes. Kids, subscribe to our channel. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. The shape of star. First we are coloring star. The next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. We are again using the color of blue. Now we are coloring the shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using the color of red. The next one is circle. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using again the color of blue and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square, the shape of square. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are mixing and using the color of yellow. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of yellow. Thank you so much for watching. The next one is circle. Now we are coloring the shape of square. Kids, the next one is circle, and now we're using the color of green. Now we're mixing the color of green. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using green color. Thank you so much for watching. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now we are coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of red. Kids, subscribe to our channel. And now we are coloring the shape of star. First we are using the color of red and coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is pentagon. We are again using the color of red and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. And now we're using the color of red. The next one is triangle. Now we're coloring the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. Now we're using the color of red. The next one is circle. We are again using and mixing red color. The shape of circle. Kids, the last one is trapezoid. The shape of trapezoid. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye. Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are drawing and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using and mixing the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, now we are mixing and using the color of black. First we are coloring the shape of star. Kids, the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are using the color of black. Kids, the next one is square. The shape of square. We are again mixing and using the color of black. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Thank you so much for watching. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of black. The last one is trapezoid, the shape of trapezoid. The last one is trapezoid. We are again using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.